I recently picked up Apple Magic Trackpad for my Mac Mini M4, and after using it for a few days, I can't go back to using a mouse ever again. Let me explain why. Let's quickly unbox and see what we get inside. Firstly, the trackpad itself. Few documentations. Then we get a Type-C cable. Nice to see that the cable is braided. The moment you hold the trackpad in your hand, you immediately feel the build quality. It has a matte finish, so your fingers slide smoothly and don't get stuck on the surface. At the back, we have 4 rubber pads for grip to make sure it doesn't slide on your table. At the front, you get the USB Type-C port for charging and pairing for the first time. This is actually one of the main reasons why I chose this over the Magic Mouse. Because on the Magic Mouse, the charging port is at the bottom, so you literally cannot use the mouse while charging it. Then, there is a toggle to turn on the device. There is also a small green indication under the slider to let you know when it's on. Nice little touch from Apple. The trackpad is slightly inclined to give you a comfortable angle while using it. Apple has handled the ergonomics really well here. To give you a size comparison, I have average sized hands, and you really don't have to keep lifting your hand while moving the cursor corner to corner like you do on smaller laptop trackpads. I am mainly going to use the Magic Trackpad with my Mac Mini M4 to give myself a MacBook Pro kind of experience with a larger real estate. You just need to turn the trackpad on, connect it to your Mac for the first time using the Type-C cable, and it gets paired automatically. You can immediately move your cursor, then go to Settings, and you should see Trackpad listed. First thing I suggest you change is this. Enable tap to click so that you don't actually need to physically press the trackpad every time. While the haptic response is fun to use, but single tap is practical. This also makes it super easy to just tap with 2 fingers for a right click. Second reason why I chose the Magic Trackpad over the Magic Mouse is gestures. 2 finger gestures are probably the ones you will use more often. Swipe up and down to scroll through web pages. Honestly, it feels a lot smoother than using a traditional mouse wheel. When I am editing in Adobe Premiere, it's really easy to scroll left and right through the timeline using 2 fingers. This also becomes useful in browsers to go backward and forward between pages. Pinch to zoom in and out, just like you do on a laptop. You can also double tap with 2 fingers to quickly zoom in and do it again to zoom out. You can also rotate images and graphical elements with 2 fingers. There are few more gestures that are super useful as well. You can tap with 3 fingers on a word to instantly get definitions, lookups, or smart data actions. Swipe 3 fingers up to open Mission Control, which shows all your open windows. Then swipe down to come back to your current window. You also get gestures for multitasking. Pinch in with 4 fingers to open Launchpad, which is basically the app list on Mac, and pinch out to close it. Pinch out with 4 fingers to instantly go to desktop and pinch in to come back. Now, there are a couple of disclaimers that you should know. There is around 3 to 5 second delay after Mac boots, unlike Bluetooth mice which connect almost instantly. And if you pair this with a Windows laptop and later want to switch back to your Mac, you will have to reconnect it using Type-C cable for pairing. So this is clearly not meant for constantly switching between multiple devices. But honestly, neither of these are deal breakers. I just wanted you to know before buying it. After using this for a while, I genuinely feel the biggest advantage of the Magic Trackpad is not just comfort, it's the gestures and how fluid everything feels. Going back to a regular mouse almost feels restrictive now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.